What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image on a page on system.io. So first you need to head over to the system.io's website, and after that you need to log in or sign up with your account. And after that, you will be welcome to this dashboard of system.io, wherein you need to head over to the sites section, hover to the sites section, and then click on sales funnel. And after clicking on sales funnel, the sales funnels will open. From here, select the funnel that you want to edit, or you can create a new one by just clicking on this name. You can select it. And after that, on the right side, you will see the button to edit page. Click on that, and then the editor will open. As you can see, the editor has been opened. So from here, you just scroll down a bit on the left side, and after that, in the media section, you will see this image. Click on this and then click on select file. Now from here, you can select the file that you want and then hit open. And after that, your file will be visible here. As you can see, my file has been appeared here or has been loaded here. After that, I'll just simply click on insert, and as you can see, my file will come here, or my image will come here in this website for insertion. Here is my file that I just uploaded the image, and when you click on it and when you click on the settings on the left side, you will see that you can edit it according to your wish and requirement. And if you want to save it, you can just simply click on this and then you can save it. Or if you want to duplicate or copy this, you can click on this icon to duplicate or copy it. And if you want to delete it, you can just simply click on this trash icon to delete this image. So this is how you can add an image on a page on system.io. It was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.